have seen Reese Witherspoon on social media making smoothies in the morning, cooking with her kids, and cooking with her mother. So that's us, and that's me at home. So that would be really cool if I heard or saw that she made any of these recipes. That'd be pretty cool. I think that would be Will Smith. You know, I grew up watching him as a young actor, and then all the way up through his career. Watch him on social media. I love what he stands for. I love the messages that he puts out to the world, and I think he would be a fun person to hang out with. I would even let him help me in the kitchen. I would love to hang out with Seth Rogen. I think he's hilarious, he's crazy, and I've also seen him do some Instagram cooking things with some famous chefs. I think the SAG-AFTRA Foundation really resonated with us at Cooper's Hawk, and what they stand for, and the platform is pretty wide, from actors starting out in the business, supporting them, to people that hit a bump in the road anywhere along their career. So I think it's a great foundation, and we're really proud to be a part of it.